Hello students, very good morning to all of you. How are you all? I think you are very fine at your home, even also safe with your parents. So dear students, today also we are continuing our topic that is called at the zoo. You know what is zoo? Zoo is a place where the wild animals kept in a cage and the people go to visit and to enjoy their day at the zoo. Likewise, this is a place, okay? Zoo is a place, like a garden is a place, so temple is a place. Similarly, zoo is also a place. ओके जू में कौन कौन होते हैं? जू में डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ एनिमल्स एंड बर्ड्स देखने को मिलते हैं. ओके सो हमने एक वार्म अप एक्टिविटी किया था जिसमें हमने डिफरेंट एनिमल्स के नेम देखे थे. द फर्स्ट वन इज लायन. व्हाट इज द स्पेलिंग ऑफ लायन? LION, लायन. द सेकेंड वन इज मंकी. सो हियर एट द जू वी सॉ अ मंकी. Okay, so monkey. What is the spelling of monkey? MONKEY, monkey. So next one we have written snake. So what is the spelling of snake? SNAKE, snake. The next one, that is a beautiful bird which is peacock. Has more different colors. Okay, so peacock. What is the spelling of peacock? PEACOCK, peacock. And the last one that we have seen, the elephant. Okay, a big animal. The biggest animal is the elephant. So what is the spelling of elephant? ELEPHANT. So we have seen also zebra, giraffe. Okay, and also there and beautiful different types of birds. So dear students, what we do today we are going to read the chapter again. Okay, let's read the chapter because reading is so much important for all of you. So let's read the chapter with me. Put your finger on the first line here. Okay, in the first paragraph, what is written here? Today we are at the zoo. Today we are at the zoo. There is one family over here and they are at the zoo. My father, mother and sister too. Look, beautiful birds and peacocks. Beautiful birds and peacocks. Monkeys swinging to and fro. Yesterday I have also explained you about the word meaning. So here beautiful means who looks very nice. Okay, and the to and fro means from one side to another side. After that we buy ice cream. Look, my sister is licking her ice cream. So licking means tasting with tongue. And after her ice cream is dripping. So dripping is falling as it melts. Near the lion's cage we hear a roar. Roar means the sound of lion. Look, he is going up and down the cage. Angry or is he hungry? Look, he looks here so strong. I look so weak. Come here, see the yellow and brown giraffe. He is so tall and I look so short. Come quickly, look. The zebra has strips in black and white. He looks so neat. Neat मतलब एकदम clean, साफ सुथरा. Father is back with tickets for the elephant ride. Come this side. Look, I am going to climb this big elephant who can get hurt by an ant. Hurt means caused pain, चोट लगना या दर्द होना. Being at the zoo is fun and fun means enjoyment. Okay, so here we have also understood this chapter and also read this chapter. I hope you have read the first chapter and the second chapter very promptly. आप लोगों ने अच्छे तरीके से रीडिंग करना आपको आया होगा. उसके बाद हमने एक मिस पॉली की पोयम पढ़े थे. आप लोगों को याद है वो पोयम? Let's recite one time again. चलो अब अभी एक बार रिसाइट करेंगे पोयम. Okay. Miss Polly had a dolly. Miss Polly had a dolly who was 666. Who was 666. So she called for the doctor. She called for the doctor to come quick. To come quick. The doctor came with his bag and his hat, and he knocked on the road, and he knocked on the door with a rat tat tat tat. So here we have learned also this poem, a beautiful poem which we enjoy, and also done our different types of exercises from in this book. So dear students, today what I am going to explain you, I am going to explain you opposite words of lesson number 2 at the zoo. Yesterday मैंने आप लोगों को word meaning समझाया था. I hope you all have understood this word meanings. Then only if you have any query you can ask me. और notebooks return मिलने के बाद आप लोगों को वो word meanings अपनी notebook में लिखना है. अभी मैं आपको explain करूँगी about the opposite words, and opposite word is on the page number 21 here on the upside. Okay, सबसे ऊपर में आपको opposite words दिए हैं. Today now I am going to explain you. Okay, मैं अभी आपको समझाऊंगी और आपको अच्छे तरीके से सुनना है मैम की बात और समझना है. After returning back to the notebooks, okay, आप लोगों को जब notebooks वापस मिल जाएगी, then you will write the opposite words also in the notebook. So here we have opposites. O-P-O-S-I-T-E-S, that is opposites. Opposite means उल्टे अर्थ वाले शब्द. So here we will learn different opposite words from this chapter. You can see the first one is given here, beautiful. The first one is given here, beautiful, and the opposite of beautiful is as I have told you before, ये opposite sign जो रहता है वो cross sign रहता है. Always put cross when you write down opposite words. So opposite of beautiful is ugly. Beautiful का मतलब होता है बहुत सुंदर दिखना, है ना, सुंदर दिखना. और जो सुंदर नहीं दिखता है उसे क्या बोलते हैं, ugly. Okay, so the opposite of beautiful is ugly. Now the second one you can see on the book. The second one is buy. Buy मतलब होता है खरीदना, and sell. Buy opposite sell. Sell मतलब होता है बेचना. Okay, खरीदना, बेचना. Next one is number 3, strong. Strong means होता है ताकतवर, एंड जो ताकतवर नहीं होता है वो कौन होता है, weak. So strong, कमजोर जिसे बोलते हैं कमजोर. So strong means ताकतवर and weak means कमजोर. Then next number 4, which is number 4 here. Let's see TALL, tall. Tall मतलब होता है लंबा, and tall opposite SHORT, short. Short मतलब होता है जो जिसकी हाइट कम होती है ना, tall है, short, छोटा. Now next one you can see here number 5, BLACK, black. Black मतलब काला. काला opposite white, सफेद. Black opposite white, that is black opposite white. Next one number 6, NEAT, neat. Neat मतलब होता है साफ सुथरा, एकदम साफ. और इसका ऑपोजिट क्या होता है, untidy. Untidy मतलब गंदा. Okay, number 7, what is written here, number 7, quickly. So हम लोगों ने पहले भी क्विक का पढ़ा था. क्विक मतलब होता है जल्दी, एंड क्विकली, क्विक का अपोजिट था स्लो. वैसे ही क्विकली का अपोजिट है स्लोली. ओके, सो हियर जिसमें ली लगता है, दैट मींस ly लगता है, दैट आर कॉल्ड एडवर्ब्स. Okay, so here quickly, opposite slowly. And the last one, number 8. The number 8 is angry. E-A-N-G-R-Y. Angry मतलब गुस्सेदार. और angry opposite happy. Angry मतलब होता है गुस्सा करना, और जो गुस्सा नहीं करता है वो happy होता है. So here the angry opposite happy. Now let's read out all these opposite words with me. Here you can see opposite word on the blackboard. सभी को दिखाई दे रहे हैं? क्या हुआ, आपके पास बुक नहीं है, बट मैम ने ब्लैकबोर्ड पे पूरे अपोजिट वर्ड्स लिखे हैं. आई होप आप सभी लोगों को बहुत अच्छे से वर्ड्स दिखाई दे रहे हैं. So here we will read all the opposite words again. So B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L, beautiful, beautiful opposites. U-G-L-Y, ugly, beautiful opposites, ugly. Next one, B-U-Y, by, opposite. This sign is called opposites. Okay, इस sign को क्या कहा जाता है? Opposites. By, opposite, S-E-L-L, sell. S-T-R-O-N-G, strong. S-T-R-O-N-G, strong. Opposite, W-E-A-K, weak. W-E-A-K, weak. T-A-L-L, tall. T-A-L-L, tall. Opposite, S-H-O-R-T, short. S-H-O-R-T, short. So tall opposite short. Now here, B-L-A-C-K, black. B-L-A-C-K, black. Opposite, W-H-I-T-E, white. Black opposite white. N-E-A-T, neat. N-E-A-T, neat. Opposite, U-N-T-I-D-Y, untidy. Neat opposite untidy. Then Q-U-I-C-K-L-Y, quickly. Q-U-I-C-K-L-Y, quickly. Opposite, S-L-O-W-L-Y, slowly. S-L-O-W-L-Y, slowly. A-N-G-R-Y, angry. A-N-G-R-Y, angry. And opposite, angry opposite, H-A-P-P-Y, happy. H-A-P-P-Y, happy. I hope you all have repeat all the opposite words with me. आप लोगों ने सभी ने मेरे साथ साथ ये repeat किया all opposite words, and I hope you all have understood these opposite words. So what you have to do, dear students, after notebooks will come at your home from the school, so you will write all the opposite words in a good handwriting on your notebook. Okay students, so tomorrow is the Sunday, so have fun on Sunday. Sunday is a holiday, but do not forget to do your homeworks. Okay, आप लोगों को studies करना भूलना नहीं है. At least 1 or 2 hours you have to take out from whole day and do study well. Okay, so bye dear students, take care, have a nice day. We will meet on Monday. Okay.